I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Normally, I would say good morning from travel day, but it is literally like 2 hours before everybody's going to bed. And I'm sitting in the rental. There's our normal one, and this is the rental one. And it's so weird because I've never driven a Chrysler Pacifica before. And if the standard models are like this, I never want one of these ever again, because there's already so much different than my town and country that I would rather have it than the Chrysler Pacifica. The foot pedals don't move, and I'm short, so I like the foot pedals moving. It has less storage. The stowing goes are smaller. The middle seats don't move. It does have some features I do like. There's no DVD player, which there's also no CD player, which I know newer models, but we'd had something planned for the kids, and it required having a CD player. And yes, I've tried. I'm touching it right now. There is no moving. It's not one of the ones where the screen pops out where you can put CDs under it, but we'll make do. So it's been a busy day. What you saw so far, we got up, had breakfast at home, had protein pancakes, went to the laundromat to do everybody's bedding. So glad we did that, because now everybody can come home to clean bedding and sleep in clean bedding tonight after showers. So, which I guess technically that means they'll sleep in a day all bed, but anyways. Didn't show taking trash off, I don't think. Took that off, came back, picked up Matt and the kids. Mother-in-law drove separate, met back up with her, went to the rental place to get this vehicle. Then we were going to do a Chick-fil-A because the kids had gift cards for Chick-fil-A, but it was like 3 o'clock and everybody was just starving and tired and busy day, so we went to Austin's instead. You saw that footage. Austin's is one of our favorite like buffets, like American steak, shrimp buffet places. So we went there. Then we brought the rental back home. Tried to play around with it a little bit to get some more of the settings the way I wanted it. Mirrors, speedometer, everything is just so weird on this thing. The gear shift is weird. I hate the knob thing. I'm seriously terrified of using it, but it is what it is. Set the GoPro up. It's right there. GoPro's already set up. I am bringing the mic. If I do some like sit down talk videos, I am bringing the mic, but for now I just have the windsock on it. I don't even have the light on this one. So just leaving it as is on here. If I need to, I can adjust audio and edit. Already have everything set up for driving. I have Appa. You guys, let's talk for just a second because I got a minute. You guys, thank you so much for your support on the Pillow Pets. Like, you guys fully backed us wanting to partner with Pillow Pets, and because of that, we've already sold like 20 orders worth of Pillow Pets, and like one of you went on there and ordered like a lot of Pillow Pets. So thank you so much for that, because that really does help us keep our channel going and helps us keep going and allows us to be able to do the things like this. Like, I would love to be able to do more stuff like this. Like, I'd love to be able to drive to Texas or fly to Texas. I'd love to fly to Texas and go see, actually I do want to drive. I want to drive to Texas to see my uncle in Texas, and I would love to drive out there and see him. But like the cost of the rental, the cost of the gas, the cost of food, just everything is so high or so expensive. So there's more stuff I'd love to be able to do where like we could go and see family. I have friends who've offered to take us around New York. We've been offered a place to stay in New York. But again, rental, gas, doing the things. So your support though has been a huge help. And yes, Matt bought me my own pillow pet because I needed it, and it actually has helped me to sleep better with stress and anxiety and stuff. So anyways, we've been trying to play around a little bit, get the stow and goes packed, which thankfully this had stow and goes, because last minute forgot that we needed air mattresses for 2 of the kids for the first half and the first night of the second half of the stay. So, took care of those. Now, we're going to go inside, and speaking of sponsors, I have a friend of mine who sells for, let me see, make sure I didn't get that's the boring one. Let me get you one that's not boring. I have a friend who sells Color Street, and she gave us several packs. So, thank you, Tara, for the packs of Color Street nails. I will link her Facebook down below, and every now and then she runs sales. Buy so many, get one half off or get one free. She does in-person stuff in the greater Knoxville area, but we're going to do these. They're super easy. I do love the gel nails my mother-in-law did, but it was really nice of Tara to do these too because the stickers are super easy. Stick on, ready to go 20 minutes later. So yeah, we're going to go put these on. And then we are probably just going to go ahead and head to bed because we have to get up at 4 a.m. to depart at 5 a.m. And then we're going to have a super busy, the first half of this trip is so super busy. And it's like good busy, but also everybody's kind of stressed. So let me get back inside and start putting nails on the girls. So as I show here in this clip, these nails are ridiculously easy to do on yourself as well, not just on a quick thing for me to do for the girls, but I was able to actually do my own nails as well to get ready for this trip. So thank you again to Tara and to her business, Simply Gorgeous Nails. That is her personal website for the Color Street nail stickers. And right now on her website, she does have, if you buy 3 packs, you can get a 4th pack for free. And there are some absolutely adorable nails right now, especially with when this goes up, fall is in the air, so you can look at some of the fall prints, and as it gets closer to graduation in May, there's ones for there's wedding nails. You can buy all kinds of ones to do, and as you saw I did with Rebecca's, you can even alternate how you do them to do like different styles and patterns on your nails. So thank you again to Tara for sponsoring this video.
Narnia, The Wilds of the North, Arkenland, the desert that they traveled through in The Horse and the Boy, the sea.
What's under it? What's under it? No. Don't tell me. No. Oh!
It's the whole CD set.
Yes. Okay, you were right. Is it the dramatized?
It is the dramatized. There's The Horse and His Boy, Prince Caspian,
Oh, that one's
The
my
Voyage
favorite.
of the Dawn Treader,
I
The Silver Chair,
those too.
and then The Last Battle. Of course, there's the Magician's Nephew right there.